soon as that fires up. And you know he's noise activated, so please make some noise when he comes past. As he has so much bike control, so much as he gets onto that stop here. Yes! Love to be. Throttle open. It's scary even going that fast in that short distance up here. But then there's the 180 stop here at the end. Yeah. Oh, do you fancy it? I don't fancy it. Ben, I'm going to come up near you actually. Whereabouts? Here? Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. If I could do the moonwalk, I would. Okay, right. You see the dude stopping. Right, and I will go. Faith in you, faith in you. Oh! Other than that, as good as it gets. Yes, Mr. Bowers. Right on that front end. Yeah, now here we go. He took the root, ripped it up, he literally does this from morning till night. He cannot get enough of it. There we go, then slight adaptations to this bike, meaning he can do these tricks on it. Yeah, gets to that front end, takes those feet off as well, and then goes into the 180. Opens up that front again. Flips over for a switch back. Bike control, but this level of bike control, I tell you what, do not try it at home. It's an expensive mistake to make. Here he is. Some control again from him. He wants a bit of noise from you beautiful people. Remember, the sun's shining, you're not at work, so just enjoy yourself out there. Mr. Lee Bowers, getting all sorted on this. Opens up the throttle again. What else have you got? There we go, gets on that back end. That's what we like to see. Imagine having this much bike control. Just easily down to pull on that, get on the tank and take your legs. Up he goes, right on those back end, gets those pegs on the bike, and also that specialised seat made it specifically for doing these tricks. And then again the bike control, the throttle control. Coming out from Mr. Bowers, he switches those feet around all on the back end. And I think that deserves a round of applause, does it not? I mean, what's a guy got to do around here to get a clap or two? Keep the noise coming, you beautiful people. You have been fantastic. And this has been Mr. Lima. Now, mind your eyebrows. There you go. There you go. I said this earlier. I had a full head of hair when I first started with Lee Bowers. You get behind that bike in the wrong place. There we go. It's pretty warm when you go past and that comes near you as well. You feel it talking. Oh, yes. I just love to turn up down the local corner shop. Just pull up with that, firing out the back. What do we reckon? Get a little bit balancing? All right, I'm getting out of the way. Where's he going to get? On the back end, come on, you know you want some noise. Basically, he's noise activated. The more noise you make, the more he's going to do. It's a very simple transaction between beautiful people. You are the beautiful people, and that is Mr. Bowers. Come on then, let's get on that back end again. Make some noise for him then. Yes! That is not an easy feat on that bike, especially when the back end is on fire, essentially. It's pretty warm when that thing comes close to you, I tell you. What is he doing this time? Okay, 1 foot off. Flame still coming. And do not go anywhere because one more bike is yet to come, the prize of all the bikes. Yeah, Lee. And don't forget, you can go and have a look at these bikes over there after the show. See how he's got flames coming off the back. See if you can adapt your bike when you get home. I wouldn't suggest it.